In a peaceful and beautiful village, there lived a smart, well-mannered, and kind-hearted little boy. He was obedient to his parents and had a deep love for animals and birds. All the village children liked him because he always spoke politely and was ready to help others. He especially enjoyed watching animals perform. He loved the dancing monkeys and the sight of ducks swimming in the pond. He would often sit by the pond for hours, observing the ducks, sometimes bringing grains along to feed them. One day, a monkey show was set up in the village marketplace. The monkey's owner had dressed the monkey in colorful clothes. When the monkey started dancing with a bucket on his head, the children laughed and clapped in delight. The boy was smiling happily among the crowd. Suddenly, a grumpy child arrived, known for his bad temper. He picked up a stone and threw it at the monkey. Frightened, the monkey jumped and hid behind his owner. The crowd fell silent, and the monkey's owner looked very upset. The kind-hearted boy immediately stepped forward and gently said to the child, "We should never harm animals. They cannot speak for themselves, but they feel pain just like we do. They are also God's creations and deserve kindness and love." The other child, at first embarrassed, looked down, but those gentle words touched his heart. He felt ashamed and said, "Please forgive me, brother. I promise I'll never hurt an animal again." The boy smiled and placed his hand on his shoulder. "True apology is the best thing, but promise me you'll teach others the same." The boy nodded and made a sincere promise. The other children praised the kind-hearted boy and started clapping for the monkey to cheer him up so the show could go on. From that day onward, the children of the village not only enjoyed the monkey shows, but also started taking care of animals. The boy's words had planted seeds of love, empathy, and responsibility in their hearts.